MATIC against BTC. For MATIC against BTC, yeah, we like what we see. This is already a valley 1. Are we going to come back down for a valley 2? Are we going to get a cup and handle kind of a chart pattern? And then maybe are we going to blast off? Yeah, we're not really sure. Or are we going to slowly crawl our way up, hit targets, and then see some sort of a reversal after that? Possible as well. This was a very nice chart pattern that came, right? Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, boom! Do you see this? Do you see this, boys and girls? We actually broke the resistance. We retested support. We continue higher for MATIC against BTC. This is actually very good for MATIC, and we are still hopeful of hitting our target at 7,800 satoshis. MATIC against USDT, yeah, same thing as well. We still have another target at $4.03. Are we gonna hit it or are we gonna miss it? Watch out for the support line over here. The moment the support line breaks, that's it. More likely than not, MATIC could be heading lower. MATIC has already formed a new all-time high, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a double bearish divergence on the weekly. You can already see it. There's already weakness that's been spotted on the RSI, right? Lower high on the RSI, lower high on the MACD. But there is a possibility that the MACD may not get a lower high. This could be a true strength coming in for MATIC against USDT. If we see a higher high on the MACD, then yeah, it's not a double bearish divergence, which means that potentially we could still see more upside to come for MATIC against USDT. MATIC, to be honest, is one of the very few coins that are still bullish at this point of time. There's only a very few select coins that are bullish, and MATIC is one of them. MATIC, and yeah, we're still adamant that we should be heading towards our target until we break the support. The moment the support is broken, then that's it. Very likely, we may not be hitting our targets anymore, right? And if we get a double bearish on the MACD and RSI, that's it. Potentially, we could be heading much lower. How much lower? Potentially, if bear season comes under 10 cents, right? Single digit cents for MATIC. So that's why it's very important to secure your profits as you go along, because nothing goes up forever. If you got MATIC anywhere within the accumulation period over here, between, you know, it's like you had how many days before things started blasting off? You have 2 years to accumulate MATIC before it blasted off. Did you? Yeah, if you did, congrats to you. MATIC is up 127x from somewhere in the middle over here. 100 over x. So if you had 1,000 over here, you should have 100,000 at the top for MATIC against USDT. Any clear signs of a tradable chart pattern for MATIC at this point of time? No. If anything, I feel like MATIC is forming a potential bearish reversal. I can't say for sure, but right now, you know, you have to be very careful about going long at this point of time. This is not buying season. Buying season was 2 years over here, between the May 2019 to January 2021. This was buying season. After that, once things are moving, you'll be, you know, elated. And now that we see some signs of bearishness, it's actually selling season. It's not buying season. Buying season was 1 year or 2 years ago, not now. So yeah, it's not a time to be buying MATIC. Not yet. We're gonna have to fall back down potentially towards single digit cents first, right? And then we form some sort of a big accumulation again before we go for second round. Pew! Yeah. That is my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong, and you know, MATIC could just be going up and up and up and up in one straight line all the way to 1,000, but yeah, let's be realistic. And let's be practical. It's not going to happen without a proper accumulation. It could, but very unlikely. All right, stay safe.